The Blue Alliance have scored and taken control of this drop now, with the Red fighting back. And now Blue in and controlling the area.
The VEX UK National Championships is the biggest robotics event in the UK, with 2 huge divisions of 50 or so teams, all competing to be crowned national champions.
VEX V5 is a competition where students, mostly secondary school age, will build robots out of a kit of parts to complete a challenge. They're going to try and score more points than the other team.
The live scoring has us very, very close. Who is going to win?
The students gain an awful lot of engineering experience, so they are designing, developing and documenting their robots' evolution as the season progresses.
VEX provides an environment where they lead, they ideate, they record, they are accountable to each other, they develop their own solutions, and they can see the success by their own measure of their robot's performance.
Every time I see my students, they surprise me. There's always something new, and that's what's so amazing about this program. They will come rushing up to me, and just the passion in their eyes, like, Mr. Ree, I figured it out. You know, it works, and that process. I love to see the joy in their eyes after they figured something out. As an educator, that's the most you could ask for.
The Red autonomous win due to that control bonus on the trough nearest the announce side.
I realised this whole new world of robotics. I fell in love with the way that I could see how my code worked in the real world. I could see it moving.
Being able to work as a team, being able to problem solve and listen to another person's perspective, also being able to take critical criticisms when needed is something that is a core life skill that they're going to require throughout not just education but much later on in their life.
There's a role for everybody. We also have people who are bringing enthusiasm, who are bringing the notebook, who are entering the online challenges. I like the fact that VEX takes away the kind of traditional geeky, you have to kind of build and program to be a part of a robotics team, because that's not what we're going for.
Robotica from Stirling, United Kingdom, they're in pink. They've got the shark is dancing.
It's very real, it's very hands-on with everything. Obviously teachers can't help at all, and it's all very much us, and it's seeing it going from a design to a real thing, which is absolutely amazing.
The VEX Robotics program really sort of encourages us to go through that iterative design process, fail, prototype, and then solve those problems. It's the best way to learn, and this is the complete package.
But the notebook is very much a story of the season. So what have you done so far? As they keep going, it should represent elements of design. We want to look at different coding elements. When you get to the end of the notebook, if anything it's a true documentation of the season.
The skills that align with engineering, first and foremost, communication, and then problem solving skills, and I can see a lot of that. Energy. There is so much of that here on a weekend. Here they are demonstrating what they're so good at, and that's working as a team, overcoming challenges, problem solving, and hopefully winning some prizes at the end of it.
A lot of the time in class we're kind of like, this is what you would do in the real world, but it's just a story. Whereas when the kids participate in VEX, they can actually see it in real life for themselves, and they are part of something bigger.
Most here we want to do something in STEM, and it's because of VEX, because of the opportunity that they've created, but then also the teachers have given us.
There are many different robotics competitions out there, but you should definitely get yourself involved in VEX. It is a fantastic learning experience, not only just for your students, but also for you as an adult mentor coach. So definitely sign up, it's a fantastic opportunity.
This is the best thing I've done as a teacher. I've just seen so much sort of opportunity for the students, so much growth in their development. And yes, it's a time commitment, but really all you've got to do is be there and just let them get on with it.
29-0 for the blue team.
It'll prepare you for the future, especially, everything to do with it. It puts you in a world that you would never imagine to be in.